Yeah, I left the printer off for a day, and then there was no white ink. Then, well, this is how it was coming out. Now, since done maintenance, let's see what happens. Looks like it's still not fully fixed. You can see that don't look proper. Compared to like the tip of that top one there, that's insane to me. So I was trying to fix this, because this is what was happening. Alright, let me tell you what I've been doing. I took out all the cartridges, put them in like plastic bags so they don't spill anywhere. Took my printer out. I've been trying to cook this for a minute. If you do what I'm doing, make sure you literally only tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Just like you're doing CPR in a way. Peel it back. We back. Right. The one thing I will say though, if you try to do everything and it didn't work, you definitely got one of the nipples super clogged. That's all I can say.